afternoon, you ladies and gentlemen. You are watching Daily Market Review from Grand Capital. My name is Slava Ismailova. Today, as usually, we are going to start with our first currency pair, Euro versus the US dollar. The Friday's high at 1.3486 is braced for a test, following Monday's recovery of 1.3366. The key 1.3345 support area has been protected, and a fresh wave of Euro bull pressure above 1.3486 would pave the way for a broader wave equality target at 1.355. Keeping resistance at 1.3486 intact would prompt consolidation back down to the 1.3366 low, as part of a Euro bullish continuation pattern. Weekly chart Euro-US dollar trend is bullish. The next currency pair for today is US dollar versus the Japanese yen. The 79.880 support area has prompted a recovery that is likely to extend above 80.63. External resistance lies at 80.84, where 1.618 Fibonacci extension target and the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the 81.66 80.01 decline lie protecting 81.13. On the reversal below 79.8 would upgrade the decline and expose key support at 78.25. Weekly chart US dollar Japanese yen trend is bullish. The next currency pair for today is Great Britain pound US dollar. The focus is back on the February 8th reaction high at 1.5927, while support at 1.5775 holds. Monday's high at 1.5898 is expected to face renewed Great Britain pound bull pressure, opening 1.5927 at the 1.6 level, as Great Britain pound bulls look to cement last week's bear fairly low at 1.565 in place. Unless a sustained break below 1.5775 would leave the 1.5645, 1.565 lows vulnerable. Weekly chart Great Britain pound US dollar trend is range. The next currency pair is US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Last Friday's low at 0.8931 is likely to come under fresh pressure, following the setback of Monday's 0.9011 high. The completion of a bearish expanding triangle continuation pattern on the daily chart last week's puts US dollar bears firmly in control, and two separate downside measured objectives from the pattern highlight 0.881 as a likely area for this bear wave to find a base. On the recovery above 0.9011 would pave respite, opening 0.9035. Weekly chart US dollar Swiss franc trend is bearish. And the last currency pair for today is Australian dollar versus the US dollar. An upside break through bull flag resistance at 1.0803 is anticipated, as their focus remains the February 8th reaction high at 1.0847. The cluster of Fibonacci extension targets straddling on 1.1 level is on course to be reached this week that protects the July 2011 post-float high at 1.1083, support at 1.0715 and 1.0651 protect the important February 23rd direction low at 1.0598. Weekly chart US dollar Australian dollar versus US dollar trend is range. You have watched Daily Market Review with me, Slava Ismailova. See further details on our site, grandcapital.net. I'm wishing you good trade. See you later.